everyone. This is your host Karima Mangal. Here I have come with something new and interesting. Hope you will, as you liked my previous channel, you will love to see this channel also. This channel has been just made just to create some more varieties of work, more varieties of vision, more shades of art and lifestyle. Basically, it covers up of your daily life, your daily struggles, your daily problems, your creativity, your peace of mind, your aggression to control it, your failures, and everything. It contains, I'll be guiding you in various fields. There would be tremendous art and craft work. Then there will be a Tanjore art also. So this house of creative vision is being created so that you are not being under just one art form. It would be a wide range of various art forms. I'll be showing you the things which I usually make, जो कि मैंने पहले कभी नहीं दिखाई थी. This is what, there'll be a small exhibitions in this. I'll be holding some exhibition, live classes, and I'll be telling you how I started my online classes, and after a major failure, how I step forward again for my successful life. So here it is a story. I can't say a story, but you can say it is my life. It is a practical aspect which I faced right now in my life that I'm sharing it with you. Ki everything doesn't mean, every failure doesn't mean it is an end of life. It is a new beginning of life. A failure teaches you that what you have done wrong. Where were you wrong? Where were you at a wrong track? Where you found this word failure. But failure comes in a way to give you a new beginning with new challenges. You know what are the challenges going to be there. You know what will be the path. Now you are prepared to walk on that. Success doesn't come in a very easy way. People say, अरे इसको तो बहुत जल्दी मिल गया. इन्होंने तो बहुत जल्दी चीज़ें हासिल कर ली. ऐसा नहीं है. हर आदमी अपना स्ट्रगल अपने हिसाब से बहुत करता है. कोई किसी तरीके से, कोई किसी तरीके से. If I tell you my struggle, for last 2 years, जो कि मैं 10 साल से कर रही थी, that was my exhibition, my life, my soul has been totally stopped. My identity, basically people know me by these exhibitions, was stopped. My work, which I used to exhibit, every year I used to make some unique items regarding your traditional part, regarding people's concern. They want this variety, whatever the thing is, already stopped. At that time, I thought, again, my life is stopped. Nothing is there. What will I do? Then there was a point when I started interacting people online. Then I started my YouTube. And it went on and on and on. Like crazy, I was doing Tanjore art. I was taking classes. I was taking workshops. I could have some orders also. I was satisfied in a work. But all of a sudden, something like that happened. My channel got demonetized, or you can say disabled. It is there, but no income for that. It was a shock for me. It was a total shock for me, because after a year hard work, each and every video, if you can see in that, it has tremendously done a lot of hard work. But कहते हैं ना, भेड़ चाल में उन्होंने रैंडमली डिमोनेटाइज किए और हम भी उसमें आ गए. I have done the appeal also. I have told them to check my channel and see the work what I work there. what is the quality of work I'm doing. I'm not doing any fraud with anyone. I'm teaching something. Many of them got their online work with that. People were getting work from my creativeness. They started their online work. They lost their job, but after seeing my work, they also started learning Tanjore art, and they have started their own workshops also in their particular areas. So I was not doing anything wrong which would hurt anyone. But you can't ask YouTube why randomly was done something like that. So see, I was lucky to have after an appeal, they considered my channel a little bit, that they will go on to your channel and study what is your channel is based on. So I am lucky enough, at least they will look at my channel, they will look at my hard work and see what I have done in that. In the same way, I could say there are haters also. People would have harmed my channel in any way. They would have done also. They would have been happy also. But I can say about myself, I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter till the last breath of mine. जब तक सांस है तब तक आस है. जिंदगी यूं ही चलेगी. कितना भी स्ट्रगल कर ले, कितने भी जो भी लोग हैं, कभी कभी उन पे तरस भी आता है. जो लोग नफरत की भाव से देखते हैं कि वो लोग ऊपर उठे कैसे, शायद वो इसी लालसा में जिए जाते हैं कि जहां हमें जाना था वो चले गए. So this life is like that. Success, failures are almost apart. बिना सक्सेस फेलियर के सक्सेस नहीं मिलता, और बिना सक्सेस आए फेलियर की बात समझ में भी नहीं आती. दोनों एक दूसरे से, कहते हैं ना, गाड़ी के दो पहिए हैं, साथ साथ चलते हैं. हमें साथ चल के लेना पड़ेगा. एवरी बिजनेस हैज़ अ रिस्क, एवरी वर्क हैज़ अ विल. Everywhere, every creativity, people are like jealous about your work, whatever they do. I don't know. I am not. मुझे तो ये लगता है कि अगर मेरा काम सीख करके किसी ने अपना ऑक्यूपेशन अपने लिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट किया, आई एम द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन इन दैट केस. आई हैव हेल्प्ड दैट पर्सन टू स्टार्ट हिज लिविंग. ही लॉस्ट हिज जॉब इन लॉकडाउन. पीपल आर लाइक टेंस्ड, depressed. They're committing suicide. And in this case, if I've helped anyone to earn something, to start his work by using my art, I'm blessed. I'm totally blessed in that case. So here I have just come to tell you that success and failures are the 2 points. Failure is not an end. So I am here. I am the exact example in this lockdown कि after a failure I'm back again with a bounce. My creative vision, I'm ready to blast more and more. This time I'll give you some my secrets of my healthy life too. I will share my secrets. I remember, I'll tell you one story of that. I have 2 lovely friends, more than 2 also. They are very close to me, and every time they used to push me ki why don't you share your healthy tips to all of them. It will benefit to each and every person. Why don't you write a book on that? We'll help you, we'll write. And I'm a lazy kind of a person. I don't used to take that thing seriously. So this time I would thank to my friends also in that case. They have pushed me to use this. And I would say, coming back like this, सबसे बड़ा हाथ मेरी मदर, मेरी सिस्टर और मेरे ब्रदर का है. शायद ये 3 मेरी लाइफ के वो पिलर्स हैं कि जब मैं गिरती हूँ तब ये होते हैं, जब मैं गिरती हूँ तब ये होते हैं. बहुत अच्छे से संभालते हैं कि फिर खड़ी होती हूँ. हर मुसीबतों का सामना करने के लिए। सो आई से आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद दैट। देन I would say my kids, my husband, very cute categories are these. ये करते तो कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन मुझसे प्यार इतना करते हैं कि मैं फिर खड़ी हो जाती हूँ। They love me a lot. My kids, they don't take my attention so deeply. They say, Mom, it's not an attention. You have lost your YouTube. It's nothing for you. Nothing can spoil your identity. Nothing can spoil your art. You can stand, you can just get up and start again. You have lovely students, you have lovely supporters. For those people who really cared for my work, who really wanted me to get back with a bang, for them I'm back. And for those also who really didn't wanted me to be here, I'm back again to challenge you. I'm back again with more strength, with more confidence, with more something new, nothing old. This channel will be like, I want your suggestions also in that case, because I'll start with my healthy tips in this. Whatever the healthy life I've been serving for myself, I'll be sharing it with you. I'll be sharing my craft also. That is more important. I know that you love my craft, you love my creativity. So that is the main thing. My tenure art will be continued in this. There will more and more tenure work. This time we'll be doing tenure in something very different way, which I used to do for my exhibitions. But this time the secrets are going to get opened. I'll be opening some of my secret creativities, which I have already done and I have never shared with anyone. I always used to exhibit that for the exhibition, because every time when I used to put my exhibition, I had in my mind I should have something unique. किसी के पास नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं हो जिसके पास वो प्रोडक्ट हो. I had this in my mind. But this time, you will get it. You'll get all my secrets, my creativity, my tips, the variety of material I have for the things for the upcoming exhibitions, what I'll be making, how I'll be making, and how come I come up with all my failures. That is more important. जिंदगी हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाती है. हम लड़ लड़ के अपनी ज़िंदगी से बहुत कुछ सीखते भी हैं. गिरते हैं, खड़े होते हैं, गिरते हैं, खड़े होते हैं, और उस मुकाम तक भी पहुंचते हैं जहां हमें पहुंचना है. तो फिर से खड़े होते हैं सब साथ में. जिस तरीके से आप लोगों ने मेरा साथ मेरा ग्लासोहॉलिक्स क्रिएशन में दिया, उसी तरीके से आज आप फिर से एक नए सिरे से मेरा साथ दीजिए. सपोर्ट मी, support my work, support my channel, and I'll be very grateful. I'll be sharing you the best of my best work in this. चलें, कुछ नया करें, कुछ अच्छा करें, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करें. जिंदगी जीने में मज़ा भी तो होना चाहिए. तो बनते हैं क्रिएटिव हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो, चाहे वो काम करना हो, और चाहे वो क्रिएटिव वर्क हो. तो हो जाए क्रिएटिवनेस. सो कम ऑन, जॉइन मी अगेन on my House of Creative Vision. I'm waiting for your suggestions and coming soon with something interesting videos which will be helpful to you. It will guide you. Creative बनना है तो join me again on my House of Creative Visions. Thank you and stay tuned with me. इतना कुछ आपने जाना, इतना कुछ नए चैनल के बारे में. आप कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करते हैं और इस जर्नी को और भी मज़ेदार बनाते हैं. खाली टेंजोर आर्ट से नहीं, हम क्रिएटिव काम करेंगे और हर चीज़ में करेंगे, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो या पेंटिंग हो या कोई आपको सजना संवरना हो या घर को सजाना हो, करेंगे स्टाइल से। जो भी काम करेंगे ना, मजे से करेंगे, हंसते खेलते गाते हुए, नए अंदाज में। तो बनना है मेरी इस जर्नी के साथी? Then support me and support me to come back with this new channel. Let's enjoy. Let's be creative. चलते हैं. Meet you soon in my new journey, House of Creativity. So this is my house of creativity. Come, let's join my creative journey. Thank you for watching me and stay tuned with my new videos.